Welcome to Vidania. In this video, we'll show you how to install bottom mount drawer slides quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, let's determine the suitable scenarios for installing bottom mount drawer slides. Simply put, as long as there's a bottom panel to secure the slides, you can proceed with the installation. Here are some common scenarios where this type of slide can be used. Next, we can start the installation. Here, we'll demonstrate how to position the slides in two common scenarios, overlay and inset. For overlay installation, ensure the drawer depth exceeds the slide length. Leave a gap equivalent to the slide thickness between the drawer and bottom panel. Place the slides parallel on the bottom panel, aligning one end flush with the panel edge. Secure the bottom panel and drawer separately with screws to complete the installation. For inset installation, the only difference is to leave the thickness of the drawer front panel between the slide and the edge of the bottom panel. This ensures the panel can fully retract into the drawer when closed. Then, proceed with the same screwing process to complete the installation. Vidania, hardware for your life.